Hello everyone, I hope you're doing fantastic. Today we're going to make some hot honey halloumi tacos, and this is how you do it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our halloumi and we're going to cut it up into some strips. So it's up to you how big or small you make the strips. They don't need to be perfect, be as big or small as you like. So once it's all cut up, I mean, you can treat this like a piece of meat. You can let it marinate. So what we've got is some budget clear honey. Tip that in there. Got some chili flakes. Again, you could use as much or as little as you like. Be fairly generous in there. We want it to have a little bit of a kick. It's a nice little balance of sweet and spicy. And then we add the sour elements with the lemon. So I'm adding the zest in, along with the juice as well. Catch any seeds that fall out. Just dripping down my arm and everything here. Soaked. And just get your hands in there, give it a mix around. Make sure every piece of halloumi is getting some of the chili flakes, some of the lemon juice, some of the honey. And then you can let that sit for a couple hours if you want. You could just get straight on with the cooking. For me, I like to cook the halloumi at the end. Want it to be fresh, want it to be piping hot before we put in the tacos. I don't want to cook it now and let it go all hard and rubbery. So we're going to just set that aside, then we'll get on with the rest of it. What we're going to do is prepare almost like a herby yogurt kind of sauce, and you can tweak this however you like. You can put whatever herbs you want in. I've gone with chives, dill, parsley, bit of lemon juice, bit of garlic. So we're just going to assemble that together now. So about 300 grams of Greek yogurt into a bowl. And then we're going to put all of our fresh ingredients into it. So put some chives. Again, you could use dried chives if you wanted to. Whatever you've got knocking about, really. As much or as little as you like. You cut them and then stop them flying off in all directions. Chives in. I've got some dill. Just going to take it off the stalks. And finally, got some parsley. Just run the knife through it. We're going to add in one little clove of garlic. I think with garlic, when it's raw, less is definitely more. Squeeze the lemon juice in there. Catch all those seeds in. Bit of black pepper. Also a pinch of salt. And we're just gonna mix all that together without making a mess. Stay to the board. I mean, and you want it to look something like that. And then you have a really simple kind of herby yogurt sauce. I think maybe just give it a taste test. Make your own mind up. Does it need more salt? Does it need more lemon juice? That for me tastes pretty good. So halloumi's been sitting for a short while. Got a griddle pan here, medium heat. You don't want to go too mad on the heat because halloumi is quite unforgiving, I think. Just a little bit of oil in there. You don't even have to add any oil, but I just want to prevent it sticking. Get it in there. We want to try and get some nice bar marks on these if we can. If you haven't got a griddle pan, just use a normal pan. It's fine. Just keep checking it. I mean, this is what you're looking for. Just some nice grilled, almost charred bar marks on these. Nice golden colour, that's where the flavour's going to be. As you can see, if you leave them a little bit too long, they are very unforgiving. So these are nearly done. I'm going to do these in a couple of batches just so we don't overcrowd the pan. And they're looking really, really good. So we've got the halloumi that's cooked up. I've got all of this leftover juice. I'm not going to waste any of that. Just tip it over, it's all flavour. Just let it soak up all that juice. Now it's about building these now. So grab yourself a tortilla or a taco. I've microwaved these for about 30 seconds just to warm up a little bit. You could put them on your gas hob if you want to get a bit of colour on them. Get some of that herby yoghurt on there first. Spread it all over. A couple pieces of halloumi. Some fresh tomatoes on there as well. You can get some red onions on there if you want. A bit of colour on there, some chives. What I've got is just some of these pickled chilies on there, just to finish them off. Look at the state of that. I mean, obviously, because we're filming a video, I'm trying to make them look as pretty as I can on these little fancy stands that I got from Amazon.
Wow.
But you could just chuck all this on a table, let everyone get stuck in. Doesn't need to be pretty, because I like picky food like this where everyone can just kind of get stuck in. And there we go. They're all assembled. They're all looking good. Now for the taste test. So I'm just gonna shove one in my gob without making a mess. It's got a bit of everything. Bit of savoury, bit of sweetness. And there you have it. Hot honey halloumi tacos.